रहे हैं द लाइव न्यूज, सच सबसे आगे। द लाइव न्यूज को सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में इस बेल आइकन पर भी क्लिक करें।
Several fans compared the ship's fate to Donald Trump's presidency and his inefficient handling of the coronavirus pandemic. 2 decades later, James Cameron's Titanic, the symbol of a star-crossed romance, still strikes the same chord with fans. The film told the tragic tale of Jack Dawson and Rose David Bukater, who fell in love on the ill-fated ship. The ship struck the iceberg and sank to the bottom of the ocean. Jack managed to find a raft for Rose until a lifeboat came around. He died of hypothermia while Rose survived. It has bothered fans for years as they believe strongly that both of them could have easily survived. The actors have stopped addressing the question, and Cameron has deftly answered that Jack needed to die for the film to happen. Some fans ardently wish for a sequel, but sorry, that's not happening either. Nevertheless, the film was screened on CBS and fans are looking at it in a whole new light. Several fans have compared the ship's fate to Donald Trump's presidency and his inefficient handling of the coronavirus pandemic. I saw Titanic trending and I thought I was a news story about Trump and GOP. The ship hasn't sunk yet, but the icebergs are straight ahead, a fan tweeted. Or at the same time, watch the film of the story of Donald Trump's presidency, Titanic, at 8 p.m. Sunday night movie. Another fan wrote, imagine Trump on Titanic. The boat is not going to sink. The holes in the side of the ship will miraculously disappear. A fan tweeted, America is the Titanic. A fan wrote, America, like the Titanic, was crashed into the goddamned iceberg and we rearrange deck chairs, another fan tweeted. Of course, there was another fan who got irritated with all the talk about Trump and wrote, Trump is not COVID. He is not responsible for the kidnapping of Lindbergh baby, death of Marilyn Monroe, sinking of Titanic, assassination of Kennedy, disappearance of Malaysia Airlines Flight 370, cats and dogs living together in sin. Stop psychotically obsessing about Trump. Other fans just enjoyed the film and shed a couple of tears for Jack and Rose's epic romance and tried to theorize how Jack could have survived the disaster, guessing that this would be a matter of discussion even a century from now. Police obsessing about Trump, other fans just enjoyed the film and shed a couple of tears for Jack and Rose's epic romance and tried to theorize how Jack could have survived the disaster, guessing that this would be a matter of discussion even a century from now.
आप देख रहे हैं द लाइव न्यूज, सच सबसे आगे। द लाइव न्यूज को सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में इस बेल आइकन